All right, we're going to go ahead and record this one. All right? Let's do this. Poca de gracia. A little bit of grace. So again, can I graph this? What's the first thing you're going to do is what? Right on top of it, y equals mx plus b. Yes, because the b and your m are numbers. See that? That's good. So then here we go. So your starting point is what? Is 3. So on your y, it's going to be right here. So where's negative 3? Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, right there. And I'm going to start right there. Okay? Negative 3, which is 0, comma, negative 3. All right? Cool? So now your m, okay, is, again, the change in y over the change of x. Again, you guys learned rise over run, which is fine. But make sure you put that because what does it mean, rise over run? Oh, it means the change in y. You're doing the y's, and how much is it changing in x? How much is it moving? All right, so here we go. So it's 3 over what? You guys remember? 3 over, over, yes, 1. Over 1. There you go. So there you go. It's positive, right? Para arriba. Para al lado. Okay? So now we're going to go ahead and go up, rise, and we're going to run. All right? There you go. Rise and run. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Ready? 3 and then 1. All right, so I'm going to play music, and you guys just do it. Ready? Go! Go! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now backwards. Down 3 to the left. Go! 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. That's it. We're done. Right there, okay? So now we need a what? See, it looks like a straight line. See that? So then we're just going to extend the line. Just go ahead and draw it with a little arrow. And then we could go ahead and remember it's 3. We did 3 and then 1. So they're all 3 1s. So then I could do the line right there. They're all 3 1s. There you go. See that? Bam. So 3 1. So far, so good. So that's a review of what we did earlier. Okay. Today we're going to do the second part of this. So I'm going to change this equation. So I'm going to put y is equal to negative 3x, and then still keep the minus 3. Okay. And then it's the only thing that's different is this negative 3. All right. If you compare both equations. So now, can we graph it? Well, let's check it out, right? Let's check it out. So let's go ahead and write y equals what? Mx plus b. Very good. Y is equal to mx plus b. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me go ahead and pause it. All right, so here we go. So now, what are we doing? So now, again, we're going to go ahead. Can we graph this? All right, so yeah, let's see. It's in that form. So negative 3, so where's negative 3? Negative 1, 2, 3, right here. Negative 3. So this is 0, comma, negative 3. All right, so far so good? All right, so now you do the same thing. All right, you're going to go ahead and here's your m, right? So again, your m is, again, the change in y over the change of x, which is, as you guys know, rise over run. Change in y over change of x. Make sure you're also writing this, which is rise or fall and run. Okay? See that? So now what is your m? Negative 3. All right, now it's a negative 3, but again, over what? 1. Not negative 1, because negative divided by negative, if you put a negative, that's a positive. That's not positive 3. That's negative 3. So one of them has to be negative. Okay? This is the tricky part. It's not -1. All right, this is where a lot of kids get this one confused. You do the same thing, -3/1. So again, you're not going to rise. What are you going to do? Because it's negative. You're going to fall. Yes, you're going to go down. This is where kids get confused right here. And then positive, you're still going to the right, just like over here. So if you notice this problem, 3 went up because it was positive, and +1 to the right, right? This one, -3, you're going to go down, but +1, you're still going to go to the right, all right? See that? That's where a lot of kids get confused. So now we're going to go 3 down and 1 to the right. Ready? Are we ready? Here we go. Here we go. 3 to the 1, all right? Here we go. Vamos. 1, 2, 3, and then to the right. There's no more room, so let's go the other way. Now we're going to go 3 up, but 1 to the left. To the left, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and then to the left. 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3 to the left. Now let's go ahead and draw it. Here we go. Draw. Draw that line. And there you go. Nice draw. Look at that. There you go. All right, cool. Do you guys understand that a little bit? So what happened here? Let me go ahead and pause it. Let me go ahead and pause the video. Here we go. There we go. Music. All right, here we go. Can we graph this equation? Can we graph this equation? Let's check it out. Yeah, you can graph it. You can graph it. Nice. So, oh, I forgot the little lines here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So now it's a +2, right? So it's going to be, 0, 2. It's always like that, right? So here we go, 0, 2. Where is it? Right there. That's your 2. That's your 2, okay? So now we look for your m. Right here, your m is, again, -4. So we have to write the change of y, again, m equals change in y over the change of x. Remember, rise over run, but it's what? What number is it? It's a -4 over what? Not negative. Remember, not negative. Just because it's a -4, it's going to be positive. Okay. So am I going to rise? No. That's why I don't like the rise over run, because you're not always rising. So here, and I think that's what confuses kids. Oh, rise over. No, you're not always rising. Okay. Now you're going to what? Go down because it's negative, but you're still going to go to the right because it's positive. Okay. So here we go. Ready? Música, maestro. 4 down and 1 to the right. Go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You're going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we're going to go up. Now we're going to go up and then to the left. The opposite. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to the left. That's pretty much okay. Again, so that's good enough. All right. So all these x and y's will go in here and it would balance because they're all solutions. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and draw the line. Okay. Draw the line. Bam. There you go. And that's it. That's your graph. So once again, the m is what's making it go down. It's called the slope. All right. And the b is your y-intercept. That's why this is called the slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b. So let's look. Here we go. Is it the M, right? Is it making it go down? Yep, see? There's your tester right here. It's going down, your M. And it's negative 4 over 1. See? You could pick any 2 points that are close together, and it'll be negative 4 over 1. Negative 4 over 1. All right? And that's it. Okay, so far so good? All right, and I only did 2 problems. And I'm going to put the video up so that you could at least look at it again. All right.